Welcome to English Pinglish channel. Let's get started.
Down, down. Let's go down. Let's go down. Let's go down. After, after. Let's have dinner after work. Let's have dinner after work. Let's have dinner after work. Should, should. Should I buy this dress? Should I buy this dress? Should I buy this dress? Call, call. Call me when you get home, okay? Call me when you get home, okay? Call me when you get home, okay? Word, word. I want to travel and see the world. I want to travel and see the world. I want to travel and see the world. School, school. My cousin goes to school here. My cousin goes to school here. My cousin goes to school here. Steal, steal. I still think you should go. I still think you should go. I still think you should go. Feel, feel. I feel so tired. I feel so tired. I feel so tired. Never, never. I'm never going to drink wine again. I'm never going to drink wine again. I'm never going to drink wine again. Be calm, be calm. I want to become a teacher. I want to become a teacher. I want to become a teacher. Really, really. I really like your painting. I really like your painting. I really like your painting. Another, another. I'll have another glass of wine, please. I'll have another glass of wine, please. I'll have another glass of wine, please. Much, much. I love you guys so much. I love you guys so much. I love you guys so much. Family, family. You are like family to me. You are like family to me. You are like family to me. Out, out. Get out of my room. Get out of my room. Get out of my room. Leave, leave. I want you to leave. I want you to leave. I want you to leave. Old, old. This car is too old. This car is too old. This car is too old. Mean, mean. I didn't mean to sound so angry. I didn't mean to sound so angry. I didn't mean to sound so angry. Keep, keep. Can we keep the lights on tonight? Can we keep the lights on tonight? Can we keep the lights on tonight? Student, student. I am a student here. I am a student here. I am a student here. Why? Why? Why don't you go? Why don't you go? Why don't you go? Great, great. Here is a great place to learn English. Here is a great place to learn English. Here is a great place to learn English. Same, same. Hey, we're wearing the same shirt. Hey, we're wearing the same shirt. Hey, we're wearing the same shirt. Begin, begin. Where do I begin with this huge project? Where do I begin with this huge project? Where do I begin with this huge project? Country, country. Japan is such a beautiful country. Japan is such a beautiful country. Japan is such a beautiful country. Help, help. I need help with my homework. I need help with my homework. I need help with my homework. Talk, talk. Can we talk in private? Can we talk in private? Can we talk in private? Part, part. This is my favorite part of the movie. This is my favorite part of the movie. This is my favorite part of the movie. Again, again. Can we play that game again? Can we play that game again? Can we play that game again? So, I'm so sleepy. I'm so sleepy. I'm so sleepy.
Please subscribe us and don't forget like and comment. Thanks for watching.